Here we go. Monggo. So this is the ingredients that I will be using for making my Monggo recipe. Today I don't have fish sauce, but that's optional. If you want to put fish sauce, maybe like 2 to 3 tablespoons is good enough. So this is 200 grams, about 200 grams of chicken thighs, 1 medium size onion chopped, 3 small tomatoes chopped, 1 cube of chicken nor broth, 4 garlics, and ginger just for a touch of taste. I don't have Malunggay, so I have spinach with me, and of course the Monggo beans, salt and pepper, and the canola oil. Now let's start cooking. Here we go. Monggo. My edition. I haven't made Monggo for a long time. I think when I was in the Philippines, I made it once or twice. But I used pork last time, and this time I made it with chicken meat to feel a little bit, healthier. But it looks delicious. Itadakimasu. Mmm. Oishi. It's hot. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. I really, really love it. Good. But daiseko, I am so satisfied. And you know what? It's raining today, so it's perfect weather to eat Monggo soup. Perfect. If you guys have any other dish that you want me to make, or Filipino, any country, I'll try. Japanese, of course. Christmas is coming up. Maybe I should make like a turkey stuffing. I think I still have the recipe of my grandma gave me. So maybe I might do a little bit more of the cooking YouTube. And see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.